Welcome to Auto Ravrange, your trusted source for the latest news, reviews, and all things automotive. Whether you are a car enthusiast or simply interested in the newest models hitting the roads, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated cars of Do Safar Do Punch, the Chevrolet Bel Air. This is a name that brings nostalgia for many, as the original Bel Air was a symbol of American automotive culture back in the Ek No Punch Safar. Now, Chevrolet has resurrected this iconic nameplate for a new generation, blending the timeless style of its predecessor with cutting-edge technology and performance. Let's take a closer look at what the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air has to offer. At first glance, the 2025 Bel Air's design immediately catches your eye with its perfect balance between retro and modern elements. The exterior pays homage to the original, featuring clean lines, a muscular stance, and a bold, sculpted front grille that proudly displays the Chevrolet emblem. The rear of the car is equally impressive, with signature tailfans that evoke memories of the classic 1957 Bel Air but reimagined for the 21st century. The 2025 model also boasts sleek LED lighting accents that not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also improve visibility, making the car look even more striking when driving at night. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air doesn't just look good, it performs exceptionally well. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers a range of engine options, including a new all-electric powertrain that marks the brand's commitment to sustainability without compromising performance. The electric version delivers impressive torque and acceleration, ensuring that the Bel Air is just as thrilling to drive as it is stylish. There's also a more traditional internal combustion engine option for those who prefer the sound and feel of a gas-powered car. This includes a V6 and V8 engine choice that allows drivers to select the power and performance that best suits their needs. For those who prioritize efficiency, the 2025 Bel Air offers an electric range that rivals some of the best in its class, with fast charging capabilities that make long trips more convenient. The driving experience is enhanced by advanced suspension technology, which ensures a smooth and comfortable ride even over rough terrain. Whether you're driving through city streets or cruising down the highway, the Bel Air delivers a dynamic and responsive driving experience that blends classic charm with modern performance. Inside the 2025 Bel Air, Chevrolet has crafted a cabin that strikes the perfect balance between luxury and technology. The interior design combines premium materials, such as leather upholstery, soft touch surfaces, and chrome accents, with a modern tech-forward layout. A large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage on the dashboard, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The intuitive interface ensures that drivers can easily access entertainment, maps, and other features without taking their eyes off the road. For those who appreciate a personalized driving experience, the Bel Air's interior also offers customizable ambient lighting and adjustable seating options, so you can tailor the car to your own comfort preferences. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the passenger seat, the Bel Air's cabin is designed to keep you comfortable during long journeys. One of the most exciting aspects of the Do Safar Do Punch Bel Air is its suite of advanced safety features, which are designed to provide peace of mind on the road. Chevrolet has backed this car with the latest driver assistance technologies, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross traffic alert. These systems work together to help prevent accidents and make driving safer for everyone in the vehicle. The Bel Air is also equipped with a 360-degree camera system, giving drivers a complete view of their surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Beyond its safety features, the 2025 Bel Air is designed with convenience in mind. The car offers keyless entry, push-button start, and a hands-free power trunk, making it easier to access the vehicle and store your belongings. The spacious trunk ensures that you have plenty of room for luggage, groceries, or anything else you need to carry, while the rear seats fold down to offer additional storage when needed. Whether you're running errands around town or heading out on a road trip, the Bel Air offers ample space for all your needs. Chevrolet has also placed a strong emphasis on sustainability with the 2025 Bel Air, especially with the introduction of the electric version. This model reduces the car's overall carbon footprint, making it a more eco-friendly option for drivers who are conscious about their environmental impact. In addition, the materials used in the construction of the car have been carefully selected to ensure durability while also being lightweight, which improves the car's overall efficiency and handling. When it comes to driving dynamics, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air excels. The electric powertrain offers instant torque, allowing for quick acceleration and smooth power delivery. For those opting for the traditional engine models, the V6 and V8 engines offer a thrilling driving experience with plenty of power for spirited drives. The suspension system, coupled with the car's refined chassis, provides excellent handling and stability, making the Bel Air enjoyable to drive on both winding roads and straight highways. Chevrolet has also paid attention to the sound experience inside the Bel Air. Whether you're listening to your favorite playlist through the premium audio system or enjoying the quiet hum of the electric motor, the car provides an exceptional audio experience that enhances the overall driving atmosphere. The attention to detail in the cabin, combined with the car's refined road manners, ensures that every journey is both comfortable and engaging. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is a stunning example of how classic design can evolve while still retaining the spirit of what made the original Bel Air so beloved. From its striking exterior to its high-tech interior and powerful performance options, the 2025 Bel Air offers a driving experience that is both nostalgic and modern. With its advanced safety features, eco-friendly options, and overall driving dynamics, it's a car that's designed to appeal to a wide range of drivers, whether they're looking for a daily commuter or a weekend cruiser. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air, make sure to subscribe to Auto Ravrange for more in-depth reviews, updates, and all things automotive. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you the latest car news, reviews, and features from the world of automobiles. Don't miss out on future content. Hit that subscribe button now.